Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make medium Dakchi. First, gather your ingredients: 1 pound of Dakchi, 2 tablespoons of oil, and your preferred seasonings. Make sure your Dakchi has rested at room temperature for at least 30 minutes. This step is crucial for achieving an even cook. Now, generously season all sides of your Dakchi with salt, pepper, and any other spices you enjoy. This preparation ensures maximum flavor. Next, let's achieve that beautiful sear. Place a heavy-bottomed pan, like cast iron, over medium-high heat. Wait until it's smoking slightly, indicating it's hot enough. Add about 2 tablespoons of a high smoke point oil, such as canola or grapeseed. Carefully place your seasoned Dakchi into the hot pan. You should hear a satisfying sizzle immediately. Sear for about 3 to 4 minutes per side to develop a rich, brown crust. After searing both sides, reduce the heat to medium-low. This allows the inside to cook without burning the exterior. For a perfect medium, you'll need a reliable meat thermometer. Insert it into the thickest part of the Dakchi, avoiding any bone. Cook until the internal temperature reaches 135 degrees Fahrenheit. This usually takes an additional 5 to 7 minutes, depending on thickness. Finally, the crucial resting phase. Once your Dakchi reaches 135 degrees Fahrenheit, remove it from the pan. Transfer it to a cutting board and let it rest for at least 5 to 10 minutes. This resting period is vital. It allows the juices to redistribute throughout the meat, resulting in a much more tender and flavorful experience. Slice against the grain and serve immediately. Enjoy your perfectly cooked medium Dakchi.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.